Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important something. Just imagine shattered glass top table cooker. Shattered glass top table cooker. What do you know more? Just to tell you the simple steps you need to take to solve this issue. Just imagine the whole top is shattered. No, you cannot even make use of it. But before then, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. It's free, and that is the only way you can pay me. Thank you. Let's go to the business. Use your screwdriver. Now begin to loose the screws, the both sides. See the way I'm doing it. I will not talk much, just look at it. You understand every step. You remove the screws. Carefully, you remove the seat, the pan. Carefully. You have to be very, very, very careful in removing the pan. Use the other side too. Remove the both screw. At the same time, carefully remove the pan. You know why? Because of this rubber at the edges. So as it is now, you can now quietly and carefully. This kind of thing you need to wear hand glove. But for the want of time, see, just imagine the almighty glass top. Almighty glass top. Just look at it. It's now folding like rubber. That strong glass top shattered. Okay, just imagine. So at this point, you need to be careful with whatever you're doing. Carefully make sure that you remove all the remnants, the particles of that shattered glass. You need to be careful. That is what I'm doing. See, many of them falling on the ground. Carefully. When you are done removing the remnants, just make sure that every component is intact. Then we now proceed and get what? A new glass top. Imagine. Look at it. Very strong. Very, very strong. A new glass top. You don't need to know anything about it. Just fix it. Make sure that it's well positioned so that the two burners will be at the center of each circle. I'm trying to adjust them so that the burners will be at the center. Then you fix your pan carefully and adjust it as well so that the burner will be at the center of the pan to avoid the fire burning one side. So you need carefulness and you need a professional touches. That is what I'm doing here. When you are done setting one, you go for the other side. But I'm still adjusting this one to make sure that the burner is at the center. Don't mind the camera. think it's set. Now use the screw. Hold it again. As simple as AVTD. Not much work on this. Fix the second one and do the adjustment too. Position it very well and tight fix. Tie the screws. It is done. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thanks.